Hi everyone! This video will go over the key terms for Chapter 11, which is about the role of government in our economy. In Section 1, we will be looking at the government as a regulator. Okay, so interstate commerce is business that takes place between states. Intrastate commerce is business that takes place within states. A monopoly occurs when a company controls an industry or is the only one to offer a product or service. An oligopoly occurs when a small number of companies control an industry. A trust is a group of companies that band together to form a monopoly and cut out competition. Antitrust laws allow the federal government to break up monopolies, regulate them, or take control of them. A contract is a legally enforceable agreement between two or more parties. A breach of contract occurs when one party fails to live up to the terms of a contract. A copyright gives artists the legal right to own their creations. A patent is a legal grant for the sole right to own an invention. And a trademark is a name, a symbol, or a characteristic that identifies a product. All right, now we're going to be moving on to Section 2, which is about the government as a provider. All right, so revenue is the income that governments get from all sources. Privatization occurs when a business offers a public good or service. Subsidies are monetary grants given to producers or consumers to encourage certain behaviors. A tax is an amount of money people and businesses pay governments to help run the nation, state, county, city, or town. And a tax incentive is a temporary reduction or elimination of a tax that is meant to encourage or discourage an activity. Okay, so those are the key terms for Chapter 11. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.